In the year 2007, I had started my own dairy farm with around 100 animals in the outskirts of Mumbai. I faced a lot of practical problems as a dairy farmer and found very few people who could help me. Consultants were few and they had very less time. So I decided to examine the sector once again in 2018 and found that the problem still existed. If you wanted to go online to get a credible source from where you could learn how to resolve your practical farm level problems, there was no such course or platform which was available. I decided to start a content platform that would bring the best experts and institutions from the industry and make them accessible to anyone who is interested in farming. Teplu is a digital education and skills development company working in the field of agriculture and animal husbandry. Teplu aids in making scientific management training accessible to farmers. We create practical audio-video, 3D model and animation-based training courses in local languages which farmers view using their smartphones. A pool of technical experts, top research institutions and farmers are used to create these courses. So the courses focus on solving practical problems and help users get results in real life. Our solution uses intuitive technology that can assess the engagement level of the users through heat maps, and it also gives them grades and certificates. Teplu Learning Private Limited is a startup that is registered with the DIPP, Government of India, and is incubated at Agribusiness Incubation Center of ICAR, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IVRI, which is India's premier institution on veterinary and animal sciences. So as an incubator of IVRI, we receive a lot of support and technical guidance from the scientists. Anyone who wants to learn practical aspects about scientific farming can be our users. Our target audience is primarily farmers and institutions such as NGOs, foundations, agriculture input and manufacturing companies, students and also professionals. We have received a warm response to the idea and the beta product which we launched a few months ago. Large brands and NGOs have shown interest and hundreds of farmers have registered and undertaken our free courses on their own. Due to the COVID crisis, we are experiencing a lot of reverse migration of people from cities to villages, and it might take quite some time for these people to relocate. We are launching our comprehensive course on dairy farming in 3 languages, and it is called A to Z of Scientific Dairy Farming. 7 renowned veterinary doctors and a PhD scholar have come together to create this online course. We expect that this course will help such people who are relocating after some time to start a new dairy farm in any area and earn their livelihood. A lot of existing farmers have expressed their interest in acquiring practical scientific skills that can help them increase their profits. This course can help them too. Institutions that want to digitize their outreach programs to farmers can benefit a lot from this, and it will help them improve the lives of farmers. After COVID, we plan to offer online courses in various other faculties in animal husbandry and tech agriculture, which is not available now. Thank you.